Righto, so next thing on the list is to pull this motor out. So yeah, gonna start ripping into it, get this out, and we'll end up pulling apart the motor, see what's damaged, and we'll go from there. See if we can rebuild it, or might get a refurbished one, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, pretty straightforward really. Start getting right into it. Yeah, just get it done. Righto, so a bit of an update. Just got home, been out with some mates, so yeah, cracking back into it. I just gotta undo the exhaust, finish off undoing the bell housing bolts, engine mount, and she should be ready to come off. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but yeah, Nick just gotta go get an engine crane. Right, so yeah, the motor's ready to pull. I just need to get an engine crane so we can pull that out. Everything's disconnected, ready to go. So while we wait for that, we'll go ahead and paint the end of the chassis.